Namaste, Hari Om, Jai Hind. My last question was, how do you manage and handle your anger? And I'm really glad to receive so many replies from all of you. So few people said, Acharya ji, I start opposite counting. Somebody said, Acharya ji, I start chanting mantra. Somebody said, Acharya ji, I just can't handle my anger. And there was one person who said, nobody in the world can handle the anger. So, anger. You know, each and every person, when we conduct our workshops, our shivers, every person comes to us with this problem that Acharya ji, I'm not able to control my anger. I always give the example of Lord Shiv, Bholenath, who is Raudra Roop also, and who is Bholenath also, who is Nataraj also and Yogiraj also. See, we play several characters in one life. And as a guru, I will be a different person. As a mother, I will be a different person. As a daughter, I will be a different person. And different requirements are there to play different roles of life. So if I would say, just understand, losing temper and showing anger are two absolutely different things. Vandini Gurudev explains it so beautifully. Losing temper and showing anger are two different things. As a mother, sometimes to control my child, I need to show anger. You know, you should be doing this, you should be doing that. But if my child does something and I lose my temper and I lose control over myself, that means I have lost control on my own self. So if somebody is provoking you and you lose temper, you have lost it. But if somebody is provoking you, but you still don't lose temper, another person has lost it. So Guruji says, क्रोध स्वयं को खाता है, हाथ सामने वाले को खा जाता है. If you lose temper and you become angry, that means you have defeated yourself. But if somebody is trying to make you angry and you start laughing, you practice attahas, huh? Like so another person will feel defeated. Now, how do we control anger? That is the point. What is anger? Anger is the reaction of an action. Something happened and you react on it. That's anger, right? But first thing we need to remember is what has already happened has become past. You cannot go in past and you cannot change past. This is the first lesson we all need to understand. We cannot change past. And anger will happen only for something which has already happened, which means which has already become past. Now, let's say somebody slapped you, he has already slapped. It has become a past. Somebody scolded you, he has already scolded. It has become a past. Somebody insulted you, he has already insulted. It has become a past. So something which has become a past, you always feel angry on that, but you forget that you cannot go in the past and you cannot change past. Hence, the most useless thing in this entire world is anger. Now, you would say, Acharya ji, we know it is useless. We know it has a lot of bad effects on our physical health, mental health, our peace of mind, but still we feel angry. What is to be done? I mean, how do we control it now? To control anger, best way is to practice Maun. Maun is silence. Once we learn to practice, generally people think yoga is just a mere set of physical exercises. It is not. It is a complete lifestyle that teaches us how to live and even how to die. Each and everything is there in this topic, yoga. Maun, silence, is one of the most important part of yoga. And we should learn how to be silent not only through our tongue, but also through our mind. I've seen several people who are, who are practicing silence. Maybe they are just doing mala and mentally chanting the mantra, and in between they will say, This this is not Maun, this is not silence. That means through tongue you are not speaking, but through your mind you are indulged in what other people are doing. So Maun means that you follow the absolute silence for some time, which is very, very important. And once you start practicing Maun, that reaction of action will not happen because you will be silent for some time. It will give you some time to rethink about the reaction you are going to give. And within that some time, your temper will come down and you will be able to control your own emotion. So the best way to practice Maun, to control anger is to practice Maun. So we must practice Maun every day for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Make sure that you remain silent religiously at a fixed time from half an hour to 1 hour. And trust me, this is going to calm your mind. This is going to bring more peace in your life. And this is going to be one of the best things you can do to yourself. And whenever you feel angry, instead of just reacting to the action, just reacting to what happened, give a pause and practice Maun, silence, for at least 30 seconds. And you will see that your reaction will be changed because it will give you time to think on what just happened. And today's question is that we all follow some or another kind of exercise. So you are going to tell me what is your favorite type of exercise. You might be doing yoga, you might be doing gymnasium, you might be doing walking, you might be doing cardio, you might be doing Zumba, you might be doing anything. So make sure that you tell me what kind of exercise you follow and why. So I'll be waiting for your answer. See you soon. Dhanyavad. Hari Om. May Paramatma bless you all. Jai Hind.